Hello, everybody!
Hello.
We are currently in the car, all packed up, ready to go on our first camping trip of the year. We are headed to Canyonlands. So it should take us about 3.5 hours or so to get there.
Yep.
So we'll see you there. We have made it to Canyonlands. Are we in Canyonlands? To our campsite.
Right outside Canyonlands.
Right outside.
15-minute drive.
Yes. So, we're gonna get the tent set up and then make some grilled cheese and soup with some salad for dinner. We are feasting tonight. So, it's a bit windy out. Hopefully our tent stays. The ground should be fine. So, alright.
Yeah.
Moving on. A quick tour of the area. Hopefully no people come around because I don't want to see people. And then we found a little fire pit and somebody had left a water jug, but this is what we're working with. Probably pitch a tent here somewhere. But yep, in my little truck. Tent is all set up on the outside, looking great. Chris is on making dinner. What's for dinner,
I'm
Chef?
in charge of the fire.
What's for dinner?
Not a good idea.
No,
Grilled
it's
cheese,
soup and salad.
That's what we got.
We'll show you the end result once it's all done and once our tent is all set up in the inside. Oh, did it work?
Yep.
By
Just like the caveman did it.
Yep, exactly.
You want to see it?
Cook it right up, yeah. Wow, look at that toasted piece. The cheese is melting.
Ready for the flip?
Yes.
Woo!
Oh, fancy. Way to go, Chef
I'm
Chris.
messing around.
Chef Chris for ya. Now, while Chris has been cooking in the kitchen over there, I was setting up our crib. So, welcome to our crib.
Stop.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Inside, look. Woohoo! Super cozy. Trying out our new pillows. They feel great. Shout out to Mama Williams for the gift. And Papa Williams. Yeah, and Papa Williams for being the papa. But that's where we're at now. Oh, Chris burnt himself. Chef Chris burnt himself.
We're good.
Chris gets creative with his food. Some nice summer sausage and that grilled cheese, eh?
Hey.
Eh. And you cooking that soup?
Cooking it right after this.
Okay, good. Food is basically ready. We got our salads in the bowls. We got a grilled cheese staying warm, and we got our soup cooking. So we're gonna leave it here for the night, finish our dinner, and then just hang out and enjoy nature. Any last things to say for the night, for the day?
Good night.
Actually, not yet. Tomorrow we'll be going to do the Druid Arch hike. So we're really excited about that. And we will see you then. Now, good night. Good morning.
Good morning.
My little caterpillar.
What?
Good morning, everybody. It is a new day. It's around 8:30 in the morning, and we're about to get the day started. I'm gonna go ahead and get coffee going and make some oatmeal for us today for breakfast. Breakfast is served. Got our coffee and got our Bob's Red Mill oatmeal. Oh, this isn't gonna work.
Thanks, Bob.
Thanks, Bob.
Thank you for this feast.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's pretty solid.
That's usually what I would do. Sound like you just opened a Christmas present you don't want.
It looks so good. Gluten-free oatmeal, blueberry, and hazelnut with flax and chia.
Flax.
We're so high tech? No. High maintenance. Clarence Isle Sprouts. That's where that's
$1.
99 cents, not even $1. Time to eat our breakfast. Chris and I had a very lovely breakfast. What was your favorite part of the breakfast? Oatmeal or coffee? Oatmeal was delicious. So now we are off to find our trail to go hiking with. Hopefully we find it. We don't have phone service right now, but oh well. Here we go. Made it to the trailhead. There, well, actually we're not really sure where it is. It's over here somewhere. Took us 2.5 hours, a little bit longer than we intended, but we went for it and we're excited.
It's gonna be worth it.
Yes. Apparently this hike is 11 miles long. Estimated 5 to 7 hours to complete.
It's long.
It is 1:15. Hopefully we make it back before it's dark. Telling us where to go. Where's another one? There's another one. Oh yeah.
We are on.
Woohoo! We're doing well compared to the last hike we went on. Mile 2. We're killing it. Any comments? How's it been going?
It's been going great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. This is pretty neat. Echo! Nope, it didn't echo. Mark, baby. Only 1.5 miles to go. Here's our 4-mile view. Where we just came from. Ta-da! Well, it has decided to start raining. So, these are the clouds we're working with. Hopefully it doesn't start storming. 1 more mile. There we go. All right, Chris, show us what you got.
Parkour.
Oh, jeez.
Step right here, and now I'm gonna
just go for it. Just don't bash your face.
Would you like a countdown, please?
3, 2, 1. Oh, nice. Get it, boy. Almost there. she blows. We made it. We made it, fam! The echo. Incredible. Six miles and we're here. We made it to Druid Arch. Now it's time to eat. We got ourselves some summer sausage, Triscuits, cheese, and Quick Bars. We're gonna hang out for a little bit, then we have 6 miles back. So we'll see you back at the car. Chris and I are now back from our hike. We did like Druid, dang it. We did Druid Arch Trail. It took us about 4 hours total to complete. Was that including or not including our lunch?
That was not including our lunch.
Not including our break at the Arch, where we had our sausage and crackers. It was almost 12 miles that we hiked, so we are very happy to be sitting back in our truck. And it actually started to snow a little while we were hiking back, so that was really great. But now we're just gonna head back to a campsite, pitch a tent, and get dinner going. So, hope you enjoy watching our hike. It was completely worth everything.
It was pretty amazing.
It was beautiful at the end.
Pretty awesome.
So, we have finally made it to our campsite. It's actually the same campsite that we stayed in yesterday, except somebody stole it. That's their little fire. So we're those annoying people that are parked next to them, setting up camp by my truck.
We were here first.
We were here first yesterday. So we're gonna call it a night. We have started to eat and we'll set up our tent and go to sleep probably. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Good afternoon, everybody. So as you can see, we are now back at home. But I just wanted to wrap up the videos and talk about the last couple days, how great they've been. But basically, Chris woke up about 4 a.m. and had a really bad headache. And so we both decided it was best to just pack up and leave. But outside of that, the last couple days have been really great. So again, we did the Druid Arch Trail. It was a long hike, but absolutely beautiful. Along the way, we stopped and looked at a lot of different flowers that were super pretty and had different landscapings that we were walking through. We had some slat canyons, some stairs and climbing and all sorts of fun stuff. So highly recommend that hike. It was a little over 11 miles though, so make sure you bring enough water and are ready for a bit longer of a day. Definitely not strenuous though. It was our first time exploring Canyonlands, especially in that area. So that was the Needles district. Super cool for sure. And then our campsites were beautiful as well. But overall, it was a really great time and Chris and I both enjoyed ourselves. And we're just excited to continue our adventures and go on other hikes and other camping trips. We're planning our Europe trip right now, so we're gonna have a lot of footage from that. But basically, if you watched this, thank you for watching. We really enjoyed making these videos, and basically it will only get better from here. So hopefully you enjoyed watching. And thanks again. See you next time.